In 1984, William Gibson gave us a warning. He called it the Cyberdeck, a tool for the outliers. 40 years later, the warning became an instruction. This is the uConsole. It doesn't arrive as a sealed black box. It arrives as a project. Raw, industrial, cold metal chassis. Clockwork mainboard. It feels like a relic from a future that never happened. Until now. You don't just buy it, you build it. Every screw is a commitment. No glue, no hidden clips, just pure engineering. The heart of the beast, the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. It snaps into place, a pocket-sized server ready to interface with the world. Powered by standard 1860-50 cells, independent, mobile, whether you're auditing a network from a parking lot or writing code in a cafe. Thermal management locked in, system boot. The dystopian fiction is now a practical reality. The Cyberdeck is no longer a dream. It's here. Get yours at Sapsan.